This plan is for you if you are stuck between CLB 7 to 9. You don't have much time to prepare, you feel confused about what to study and what to skip, and you want a clear and structured plan. Let me be honest, CLB 10 is not about perfect English. It's about understanding the exam, using the right strategy, practicing under time pressure, and always analyze and learn from your mistakes. In the first 7 days, understand all question types, learn templates for writing and speaking. Now here, I'm not telling you to memorize the templates. You have to go through all the templates and some sample answers, so you'll have an idea that what kind of structure is followed, and you can accordingly tweak the answers. Practice slowly. Focus on your weak areas. This is your foundation phase. In the next 7 days, start full-length tests. Practice with a timer, improve speed, fix mistakes daily. Most students struggle in reading part 3 and 4. Here's what you should do. First, skim the passage, then scan for the keywords. Don't try to understand everything, just focus only on the keywords. In listening, focus on keywords, predict answers before hearing, take short notes, stay fully focused. If your mind is lost somewhere, you will lose mark. You never know what minute detail you might have missed. For writing, use a fixed structure. Don't try to be too creative. And experiment with your answers. Practice well and try to stick to that specific structure. Keep it clear and simple. Address all the part of the questions. Practice email plus survey response daily. Try to use advanced vocabulary. So in speaking, use templates. Again, using templates does not mean you will have to cram the templates and accordingly just without understanding say it in the exam. You'll have to understand and accordingly twist and tweak your answers. Speak clearly, not fast. Provide examples, supporting details. Practice with a timer. Fluency matters here more than grammar perfection. Students fail because no time management, ignoring weak areas, no timed practice, memorizing instead of understanding. If you want CLB 10, practice daily. Review your mistakes, record your speaking and listen to it. Learn from the real tests. CLB 10 is possible. CLB 10 is possible in 14 days, but only if you stay consistent and follow this plan seriously. Start today and don't skip a single day. I'll share the link for official CELPIP sample papers, which are free of cost. You can try solving those. Alright guys, thank you for watching and see you all in the next video.